Hey guys, it's your boy Active Lex with a full body workout. Yes, full body. Let's get right into it. Get your punk ass off the couches, whatever you doing. You dancing, Soapy. Get off. Come on. Enough of that. No more carry lotion and that coconut oil that you've been doing, right, since quarantine. It's enough. It's too much. Ha. Now let's get serious, guys. We're gonna go straight to push-ups. Let's get it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Squeeze at the top. Hold 10 seconds. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 10 more. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Hold. We're trying to get the dopest burn in your homes. Ready? Let's go. That's why the channel's called Home Gains. Ha ha ha. You get me, fam? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So you know what these are. These are 2 chairs. You put against something and make sure it's steady, because for me, I have a bed here and like a little stool here that's keeping me balanced. But yeah, guys, let's get it. Do it with me. We got 10 more. We did 20 push-ups. We're gonna do 20 dips. Let's get it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That was real. As you can see, chest is getting pumped. All right, guys. We're gonna get shoulder presses. Let's go. 30-pound dumbbells. Grab whatever you can. Water bottles, jugs, your girlfriend, whatever. Grab them. Let's get it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9, 10. Woo! Ready? Right into shrugs. 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Right into squats. Yeah, this is sick. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Right now, you should be really tired. Last movement, some back. Let's get it. Make sure you squeeze your back, bring your chest out. Go ahead, go, 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 go. Come on, guys. 9. Try 3 sets of this and let me know how you feel in the comment. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and I'll be back with another one.